Hello everyone, and welcome back to our Practice Speaking English series. Today's topic is travel and holidays, easy English speaking practice. In this fun and friendly episode, Emma and Ryan talk all about traveling, planning holidays, and sharing their favorite vacation memories. You'll learn natural English phrases and full sentences you can use when talking about trips, vacations, and travel experiences. Before we start, make sure to subscribe, like, and share this lesson with your friends who want to improve their English. And don't forget to comment below, what's your dream holiday destination? Alright, let's begin our conversation.
Hey Ryan, it's almost holiday season. Do you have any travel plans?
Hi Emma, yes, I've been thinking about taking a short trip this year.
That sounds nice. Where are you planning to go?
I'm still deciding, but I really want to visit Greece this time.
Greece sounds amazing. What attracts you to it?
I've always wanted to see the white houses in Santorini and enjoy the beaches there.
That's a dream destination for many people.
Yes, it's so beautiful and relaxing, perfect for a summer break.
Do you usually travel during summer?
Yes, I prefer summer trips because I love the warm weather and the sea.
Same here. I love destinations with beaches and sunshine.
Exactly, it makes you feel free and recharged.
What's your favorite place you've visited so far?
Definitely Bali. It's peaceful, green, and full of friendly people.
I've heard the food there is incredible too.
Oh yes, the local dishes are delicious and full of flavor.
How long did you stay in Bali?
I stayed for 1 week, but honestly, I wish I had stayed longer.
That's always the problem with holidays. They end too soon.
Exactly, you come back and immediately start dreaming about the next one.
So true. Do you like traveling alone or with friends?
I enjoy both, but traveling with friends feels more fun and full of laughter.
Yes, it's nice to share moments with someone.
Absolutely, memories feel richer when you share them.
What's the first thing you do when you travel?
I usually explore the local food scene first.
Oh, you're a foodie traveler.
Totally, tasting local food is the best way to experience a culture.
Do you plan everything or travel spontaneously?
I plan the basics like flights and hotels, but I like to keep the days flexible.
That's smart. You get structure but still enjoy freedom.
Exactly, it keeps things exciting without being stressful.
What kind of accommodation do you prefer?
I like boutique hotels, comfortable, stylish, and not too crowded.
Nice choice. I usually go for Airbnb because it feels homey.
That's true, it gives a more local experience.
How do you usually book your trips?
Mostly online, I use travel websites to compare prices and reviews.
Technology makes it so much easier to plan trips now.
Yes, everything is just a few clicks away.
What's your favorite part of traveling?
The feeling of exploring something completely new streets, new food, new people.
I love that too. Every trip feels like a new story.
Exactly, travel makes life more colorful.
Have you ever had a bad travel experience?
Once my luggage got lost at the airport, but I stayed calm and it was found after 2 days.
Oh no. That must have been stressful.
It was, but now I always keep essentials in my carry-on.
Smart move. Have you ever missed a flight?
Almost once, traffic was terrible, but I made it just in time.
That's lucky. Missing flights can ruin the whole mood.
True, that's why I always go to the airport early now.
Do you prefer city breaks or nature escapes?
I love a mix of both, maybe a city for culture and then nature to relax.
That's a perfect combination.
Yes, it gives balance, excitement, and peace.
What's your dream destination?
Japan. I want to see cherry blossoms and try authentic sushi.
That sounds amazing. Japan is on my list too.
We should plan a group trip someday.
That would be so fun.
Yes, travel buddies make everything better.
How often do you travel in a year?
Usually twice, one big trip and one short weekend getaway.
That's a nice rhythm.
It keeps life exciting and refreshing.
Do you like guided tours or exploring alone?
I prefer exploring alone. I like discovering things at my own pace.
Same. It feels more personal that way.
Exactly, less rush, more freedom.
What do you always pack first?
My camera, I can't travel without capturing memories.
Oh, are you into photography?
Yes, I love taking photos of sunsets, food, and street life.
That's wonderful. I usually take photos of architecture.
Nice. Every traveler has a different focus.
Do you buy souvenirs when you travel?
Not too many, but I always get a small magnet or postcard.
Me too. I have a fridge full of travel magnets.
Ho ho, it's like a visual diary of your adventures.
Exactly. Which country has impressed you the most?
Switzerland, it's unbelievably clean, calm, and beautiful.
I can imagine. The mountains look magical.
Yes, and the people are so polite and organized.
What about travel food? Do you try street food?
Always, street food shows the true taste of a place.
That's brave. Not everyone dares to try.
Ha ha, I just avoid risky-looking stalls.
That's a good tip. What's your favorite travel memory?
Watching the sunset in Santorini, it was pure peace.
That sounds unforgettable.
It really was. Moments like that stay forever.
How do you choose your next destination?
I usually follow my mood. Sometimes I want beaches, sometimes culture.
That's a fun way to decide.
It keeps things spontaneous and exciting.
Do you like traveling during holidays or off-season?
Off-season, it's cheaper and less crowded.
I agree. You get to enjoy more peace and space.
Exactly, and you meet locals more easily too.
Have you ever had flight delays?
Yes, once for 6 hours, but I used the time to read and relax.
That's the spirit. Make the best of it.
Traveling teaches patience for sure.
What's one thing you always forget to pack?
My charger, every single time.
Same. It's the most important thing too.
Yes, I should just keep one in my bag forever.
How do you stay healthy while traveling?
I drink lots of water, walk often, and get enough sleep.
That's good advice.
It keeps energy high during trips.
Do you travel with insurance?
Always, it's better to be safe than sorry.
Smart move.
It gives peace of mind while exploring.
What's one country you'd love to live in someday?
Maybe Italy, the lifestyle and food are perfect.
Great choice.
Yes, life feels slower and happier there.
How do you deal with jet lag?
I adjust my sleep schedule a few days before traveling.
That's a good idea.
It helps your body adapt faster.
Do you prefer plane, train, or car travel?
Plane for long distances, but train for sightseeing.
Trains are relaxing. You see so much.
Yes, and no airport stress.
Do you make travel vlogs or journals?
I keep a small notebook to write about my favorite moments.
That's such a nice habit.
It helps me relive memories later.
How do you handle language barriers abroad?
I learn a few key phrases before going. People appreciate that.
That's respectful.
It makes travel smoother and friendlier.
Do you use travel apps often?
Yes, for maps, translation, and restaurant reviews.
Technology really helps travelers today.
It's like having a guide in your pocket.
What's the most beautiful view you've ever seen?
The Northern Lights in Iceland, magical beyond words.
Oh wow, that's on my bucket list.
You must go. It's an unforgettable experience.
How do you save money when traveling?
I book early, use points, and eat local instead of fancy restaurants.
Great tips.
It helps me travel more often without overspending.
Do you prefer short trips or long vacations?
Long vacations, it takes time to truly relax.
Yes, short ones feel rushed.
Exactly, you need time to disconnect.
How do you plan your itineraries?
I make a list of must-see spots, but leave time for surprises.
Perfect balance.
Flexibility makes travel more enjoyable.
What's the best thing about traveling for you?
It opens your mind and makes you appreciate life more.
That's so true.
Travel changes how you see the world.
How do you feel when you come back home?
Refreshed, inspired, and already planning the next trip.
Haha, that's every traveler's feeling.
Exactly, wanderlust never ends.
Do you like solo travel?
Yes, It's peaceful and builds confidence.
That's brave.
It teaches independence and self-discovery.
Have you ever met new friends while traveling?
Many times, travelers connect easily.
That's the beauty of travel.
Yes, strangers become friends quickly.
How do you keep memories alive after trips?
I print photos and make small travel albums.
That's so lovely.
It's like reliving each moment again.
What's your travel motto?
Collect memories, not things.
That's perfect.
It reminds me what truly matters.
What advice would you give to beginner travelers?
Travel light, stay curious, and keep an open mind.
That's great advice.
It makes every trip smoother and more meaningful.
Do you ever travel without plans?
Once, and it turned out to be my best trip ever.
That's amazing.
Sometimes, no plan is the best plan.
What's the next country on your list?
Probably Spain. I want to explore Barcelona and Madrid.
Oh, that's exciting.
Yes, I'm looking forward to the culture and food.
I hope you have a great trip.
Thank you, and I hope you plan one soon too.
I definitely will. Travel always brings happiness.
True, it reminds us how big and beautiful the world is.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun English conversations.
And comment below, where would you love to travel next?
Thanks for joining us today. Keep practicing English and exploring new places.
See you in the next episode, and safe travels, everyone.